Every year in Puri, the grand Rath Yatra unfolds. Lord Jagannath, along with his siblings Balabhadra and Subhadra, leaves the main temple for a 9-day journey to Gundicha temple. Thousands cheer, drums thunder, and the deities glide through the streets on massive chariots. But there's a side to this festival that often goes unheard. Let's talk about Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, fortune, and Jagannath's devoted wife. Yet during this spectacular event, she's left behind, watching as her beloved departs without her. Imagine that feeling, ignored, sidelined, your significance suddenly in question. For Lakshmi, it's not just about being left alone. It's about her position as the eternal consort, the keeper of the household, suddenly seeming diminished. Legend says, as Jagannath leaves, Lakshmi's heart aches. She's hurt, yes, but also determined. She questions her own importance, wonders why she wasn't invited, and feels the sting of separation. Isn't it strange? Even gods and goddesses aren't immune to longing, to the pain of being left out. Lakshmi's sorrow is so powerful that eventually she sets out in search of her husband, determined to reclaim her place. Her journey is a reminder that love, respect, and inclusion matter, even in the divine world. So next time you witness Rath Yatra, remember it's not just a story of vibrant chariots and joyous crowds. It's also a story of Lakshmi's heartache, her silent plea to be seen, her